Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. Why not vogue a little if that's considered voguing? Welcome back to the channel. What y'all doing for 4th of July? Anything? Well, if you decide to do something, this video is going to be all about how to create a 4th of July eye. So you know what to do. Grab that cocktail and or juice. Let's get this party started. So first up, let's just do skin real quick. I used this in my last video. I think I'm gonna use it again. I like it. 4th of July is typically out and about in the sun, so you want things to last and last. So we're gonna make this last and last, and we're gonna matte it down as well, okay? So Pro Long Wear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation in my color is going on. So are y'all a big 4th of July fan? I used to be when I was younger, but you know, with everything going on, child, I don't know if I want to be out and about celebrating 4th of July, but I will be at somebody's house at the pool eating some food. So maybe we should rename this. Maybe it's no longer a 4th of July moment, but it's a come celebrate, eat, drink, and be merry moment since the country's still giving us the day off. I still prefer Juneteenth. Ooh, child, a pinch of concealer underneath these eyes. And I'm being lazy. This is going under my eyes in a lighter color. Watch the last video. It's NW40. Delish. Pause for the cause. I'm so sorry. I prepped my face with this, but I forgot to talk about it. So this went all over my hot spots before I started the foundation. I did that off the camera, but you're welcome. You know I love it. Little liquid powder in a tube, never hurt nobody. He's about to do his brows. We're gonna brush these up. So I've been playing around with the shape of my brow. Can we have a brow conversation? We're gonna have a brow conversation. So I've been playing around with how I like to do my brows, and it just kind of depends on the mood that I'm in, but I've been obsessed with this trick. Right here. I'll underscore here to create the shape, right? And then I'll pull up through here to create the length and the shape like so. Comb that over. From the highest point of my arch, I'm gonna add a little bit of pressure to apply color. And I'm gonna connect and pull down. Like that. And so I have this from here to here done. I take the Fiber Big Boost Gel by MAC. What I'll do is I'll wiggle, wiggle, wiggle right at the root of my brow here. And I'm just gonna brush up. So this gives me extra height, extra volume. Read all about it. And I have like a nice structured, slightly unstructured brow. Ooh, look how big and bold and beautiful that brow is. Ow! That's exactly what we want. I don't normally do this, but I felt like doing this because it's 4th of July, and why not be extra doing the 4th? Flat brush, a little leftover under eye concealer. And we're just gonna highlight underneath his brow gently and softly. With that brow. See? Yeah, I felt that. Yeah, did y'all feel that? Because I felt that in my spirit just now. That. Yeah. That's when you know you're feeling it. So we're gonna do the same thing over here. I almost said something, but I realized it was gonna give my age away. I almost said, whoop, there it is. Don't try it, I'm still young. So we're gonna play around with liners and shape. We're not gonna do our traditional lid, crease, highlight. We're gonna take a chromographic pencil by MAC in Rich Magenta. And I'm gonna start actually in the fold of my eye. I'm gonna pull up and out, like so. See that? So I'm working slightly above the fold of my eye so you can still see it with my eye open. There's up, in, around, and out. And it's okay because we're in the mapping out phase if it's not perfect, but it is perfect. So I'm just going ahead and do the other side. So I'm building the eyeliner on because we're gonna add shadow on top, get it to stick to it. You've seen this palette before. I'm taking Flamboyant, which is this fiery red. I'm gonna go in. We're gonna use the tip of the brush to lay the shadow. Because we did the eyeliner first, it's giving us the base and making the color pop even more. Fire, yes. We'll go back to the end with a Q-tip just to make the lines on the edge above and below nice and sharp. But we're just getting the product on right now. Next up, we're gonna take high def cyan and we're gonna do this on the bottom. Mapping out first. Up here, and kind of bring that to a point. Y'all know I got sensitive eyes. If y'all didn't know, let me let you know, I got sensitive eyes. I'll do the inside at the end because we're gonna do a different color inside, okay? Now, we just have to blend out the bottom. I'm taking in the shadows with a pencil brush. Once you get this on, we can diffuse this. Look how blue this is because of the line underneath. If you ever want to intensify things, take your liner and the lighter color of it, and it'll help you brighten it up some. Okay, brush underneath. So we're just gonna blend this out. Now, you begin the cleanup process. Q-tips and a flat brush like so is kind of all you need. So I'm gonna start underneath here first and then we'll do on top. I'm gonna take this with a little bit of my foundation concealer that's left on my hand. I'm gonna go in and sharpen out the edges here. One of the great ways you can do that is lay your brush and pull away. And then you can either slice back and forth, whatever's your preference. Voila. I'm gonna lay the brush upside down. And I'm gonna slice away this way as well. We're gonna work on top here. I have a very tiny Q-tip. I'm gonna take a little bit of my complexion on the Q-tip and we can go in and begin to use the side of the Q-tip to cut away. What I like about this pointed Q-tip is it allows you to have precision. Rest it. I'm gonna pull this way, perfect. And then we're gonna use the tip, slice away underneath as well. Voila. This matte, fleshy eyeshadow is a little bit lighter than my eye as well, which is fine. So I'm using the Art Library palette here for this. Y'all know I love this palette of fiery reds. and then you just sweep it across the lid. And the same up top. Voila. And these little foundation powder underneath here just to kind of like set me. I realize I have not contoured yet. That's on purpose. The eye is not done yet either. Just want to map me down just a little. Contour, use my favorite palette. Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna contour. Come on now. Just a little sculpting for the kids. A little highlight for the kids. Fan brush. You know me, all three colors. If you're gonna frolic for the 4th of July, you might as well sparkle on your face too. Perfect. So what's missing? The white. Haha, y'all thought I forgot. No, I do it last because I wanted to get the color on and I didn't want it to bleed into the white liner. Curl the lash, do some mascara. You know, sometimes there's nothing better than sex. So we're using Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced to make it real nasty and luscious, you know. Look at that. Look at that lash. Ha ha ha. And to finish this off, I'm just gonna go old school. MAC Clear Lip Gloss. Oh, yes, honey. Look at these lips, just so luscious. All right, guys, this is your 4th of July look. We played around with shape, we played around with placement, and, you know, utilized red, white, and blue the way we wanted to. I hope you like it. You know what to do. Subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment. And be safe and wear your mask. Love you lots, guys. Bye.